2009 F150 4x4, changing the fluid in the transfer case. So I'm at 203,000 miles, and never once did I change this fluid. So today's gonna be the first time. The oil I'm using is Pennzoil Platinum LV multi-vehicle ATF fluid, so automatic transmission fluid, and it says here Ford Mercon LV approved, and that's what it uses, so that'll be fine. The car is leveled on the street, so make sure it's leveled and not on ramps. Wow, no fluid came out. That's scary. Okay, so take the bottom off. There we go. I do not think that was I think it's 2 quarts, but I'll find out again when I fill it up. But that does not look like it had enough oil. Also, you'll need a OTC oil gun, suction, to fill it up. Okay, so you need to get yourself thread sealant, and I got this from AutoZone. That's what we're gonna put on this bolt, whatever, and just clean it off with a bit of brake cleaner. Alright. So plug the bottom hole. And then just hand tighten it like oil changes. Make sure you don't crack the transfer case, because it's made out of aluminum. There you go. Okay, so that's maxed out, and she forgot I need to put put that straight into there. So it uses, with my spillage and all that, pretty much use 2 full bottles. No, actually I have some inside here, so I'm going to fill that back up. Yes, I think it uses 1.5 quarts. But anyways, you just fill it up to where it starts dripping out from there. And that's it. Okay, job done.